HD Show is a synchronous broadcast control software of Huidui technology, which has rich functions and easy to learn and use. We can download and install it on the official website of Huidui Technology. Firstly, we need to set the computer display mode to extended mode. Windows plus P can switch the display mode on the keyboard. Secondly, open HD Show and create a new project. In extended mode, the canvas content on the HD Show can be displayed in real time on the screen. Click Screen Management in the broadcast control area and set the width and height of canvas according to the resolution of the screen. In the resource area, click to add resource to choose canvas content, which supports videos, pictures, texts, streaming media and other materials for playback. Finished resource selection. Drag the resource to the canvas display area, and the screen can play the program in real time. We also can drag the program size and position arbitrarily to change the playback area. Besides, supports the function of add playing list. First, add the required resources to the material area. Click to add resource. Add playing list to add resource to the playing list. Drag the playing list to the canvas, and the programs can be rotated on the display. In the software playback control area, you can play, pause, lock, etc. for the program. Right-click the mouse to move the program to top level or bottom level, delete, clone, etc. In the property settings, you can also rotate, tailor, and control the brightness of the program. Click Screen Management, create a new display area and right-click to set split screen. You can also create multiple areas and set the screen size and layout. Drag the resources to the two playback areas to achieve partition playback. Right-click Area 1 and click Clone to get the same area with the same playback progress. HD Show supports saving plans for playback. Click the Save button in the playback control area for the edited program. Click to save plan as to save the content in the current display area, and you can switch plans freely.